Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal for shopping. First, if you do not have an account, creating one is quick and easy on the PayPal website or through their mobile application. You will need to provide some basic personal details and link a payment method, such as your bank account or a credit card, to begin. This secure setup ensures all your future transactions are smooth and protected. When you are ready to make a purchase online, simply select the PayPal option at checkout. This redirects you to a secure PayPal page to confirm your payment, often with just one click after your initial login. It keeps your sensitive financial details private from the merchant, adding an extra layer of security. Plus, you benefit from PayPal's robust buyer protection policies, giving you peace of mind. After making a purchase, you can always review your transaction history directly within your PayPal dashboard. PayPal's strong buyer protection program covers many eligible purchases, offering a safety net should an item not arrive or differ significantly from its description. For even greater security, consider enabling two-factor authentication, which adds a second verification step to protect your account from unauthorized access. Beyond standard payments, PayPal offers additional features like PayPal Credit, providing flexible financing options for eligible larger purchases. Their user-friendly mobile application makes managing your account, tracking spending, and shopping on the go incredibly convenient. Keep an eye out for special retailer promotions and deals often available exclusively when using PayPal, helping you save money while enjoying secure and straightforward online shopping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.